with Task Force 1. Lately we've been working on a couple programs coming out. One of them is for the level ladders. And one basic key with the ground ladders itself, which is going to be in the program, is the maintenance and paying special attention to certain parts of the ladder. Like anything else, it's kind of a catch-22. The more you use a ladder, the more you're going to have to take care of it. The more a ladder sits, you're also going to have to take care of it. Either way, it builds up with dust, it builds up with crud, tar, whatever you got from the dwelling fire, whatever it gets from sitting on a ladder company or an engine company. And I'm going to take you step by step real quick of what we're doing here. Right now, we're going to use a little thing called sex wax. You can use that. It's mainly used for snowboard or surfboards. You can also use a snowboard wax. I like this one particularly because it's a nice square block. You can get right into the edges like I'm going to show you. So what we did first, extended it all the way the best we could. Went and washed it. As you can tell, the floor's a little wet still. We went through, washed it, just a mild soap and water. Nice little scrub brush, got in there. Sprayed a little degreaser in some of the dogs or the logs, whatever you want to call them. And let it sit for a minute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our cloth. I like it upside down because then I can get through and I can actually see what I'm doing as compared to if it's laying flat on the other side with the bed section down. You can't really see it too well. So I'm going to get down right now, and if you look, right in here, this is where the gliders go. This is where the stabilizers go when you're extending the ladder. So we're going to take a nice cloth, just go right through here, get it dry, get the excess grease or debris off, whatever's in there. We're going to go the whole extent. We're going to come on this side, we'll do the same exact thing. We want to start with the best dry surface that we possibly can and clean surface. That way, once we get this sex wax on there, it'll get right in there, it'll stick pretty good. What this is going to do as we do this is this is going to help so nothing gets stuck to it and it glides nice and easy. You're going to do this a few times on each side. You want to make sure you get it right in there. Let that side sit for a second. You're going to come on the other side, do the exact same thing. Get it right in there, get it right on the edges. For good judgment, you're going to go through after you do it once. You're just going to very lightly run your cloth back through it, get the excess off. You're going to do that 2 or 3 more times. Then what you want to do, take a little WD-40 or some grease lightning, something to keep the locks and the dogs kind of greased up, ready to go for action. And you're going to spray right directly in here. That's where basically the sensor is. That's what's telling that to collapse so it can go over your rungs. Then what you're going to do after you accomplish those, take it right outside, extend it up, descend it, extend, descend. That a couple times through the rotations. Get everything going nice and smooth. And that's it. That's all we have for today. Stay tuned. Like our Facebook, like our YouTube channel, Task Force 1 Incorporated. And look for us down the road for the love of ladders. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, we at Task Force 1 always keep our phones on and our emails. Thank you.